Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to have a look at the Supcase UB Grip case for the iPhone 16 Plus, MagStand for the iPhone 16 Pro, and then the phone mag flip, which can be used for selfies, a phone stand, or even a wallet. Right after this. Let's go ahead and take a look at the first one, but I ask for one favor. Please hit that subscribe, like this video, and also share it out, as it truly does help on my channel. Now this case is for the iPhone 16 Plus, and this is the UB Grip and the black color. As you can see, is one piece. Let's go ahead and drop this in. Really nice looking there. Got the bottom cutouts there, charge port right here. Nice reinforced grip on the sides. Access to the capture button, which is really nice. Again, if this was the real phone, I will show you how to use it, but unfortunately this is a dummy unit. But it all works regarding the pressure, quick tap for pictures, and then long press or long hold for like recording videos. And there are many other functions for this as well, but again, it has the exposure there and you do have access to it. It's really nice and clean looking. As you can see, it is mag friendly, but you also have this ring that can serve as a kickstand or even a holder if you wanted to hold your phone up, which is really nice. And this case is MagSafe compatible. Very nice protected case. Feels great when holding it. And again, what stands out with this case is access to this capture button. Nice and flush. You can see that the camera lenses are easily protected. You can see how deep that is. Button access here. And then you have access as well here. Screen is protected with that lip, as you can see there. A very nice simple profile case with nice protection. Let's go ahead and take a look at the case for the iPhone 16 Pro. We have the MagStand, and this is the frost black color. Let's go ahead and drop it in there. Very nice and clean, as you can see here. Again, MagSafe compatible. Pop this open. You already know what it is. It's a kickstand. And again, it holds as a holder as well. Easy access to the buttons and protected. Flip it over here. You have that capture button. Nice, easy access, as you can see here. And you have the volume rocker on this side. Let's look at that camera lens protection, as you can see there. And you can see the lip. So the screen would definitely be protected if you turn it, face it down. Nice grip to it. And you can look at the bottom and you can see those cutouts as well. Very nice case. Again, very nice that there is access to the capture button, as you can see here. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the Sup Phone Mag Flip, and this is black. Now this is not only for iPhones, and that's why they give you this ring, so you can use this for Android devices as well. But I'm going to use an iPhone. Again, it's not an iPhone 16, but it is a 13. So even if I put this on with the case, you're going to see that it sticks. I can flip it this way, use it for selfies. I can turn it around this way And then it becomes, let's scoot this over here, like a stand, as you can see here, which is cool. If I want to use it as a stand, I can. And of course, you could take it off and then put it this way as well. How cool is that? You can also have it where it's tilted at the 45-degree angle. Open this up and use this to make the stand a little taller. And check that out. How cool is that? Of course, you can go ahead and do it in portrait mode too. If you wanted to hold it this way, you can do just that. So cool. And one last thing you can do with this, since it's not just a stand, it also acts as a wallet. Fill this down. You can put your credit cards, your driver's license, or your ID in there. And it even comes with this RFID/NFC blocking card. So you can drop your items in there. Once you have that, close this, close that, and then pop this right on the back. So this way you will have your wallet and your smartphone bonded together for easy tracking and storage. How cool is that? Now, if you're interested in any one of these products by Supcase, go ahead and use the link in the description section of my video. But this completes my review of the Supcase UB Grip for the iPhone 16 Plus, MagStand for the iPhone 16 Pro, and then the phone Mag Flip.